Hey guys, it's Rachel with the Certified Funnel Builders, and today we're going to be going over testing a subscription product in your sales funnel. So if you have a ClickFunnels funnel that you're about to launch and it has a subscription product, this is a way that you can test it. All right, guys. So I'm going to show you an issue that we have run into with our clients in the past when testing subscription products. So I'm going to go over here and go into the settings, and I'm going to turn the test mode on real quick. I'm going to save and update this funnel, and then I'm going to come over to steps and go to the live URL. All right. So, of course, you want to make sure that all your buttons work. So that is one thing you would want to do. I'm not going to do it right now because I'm pretty positive they all work and bring up the pop-up, but you definitely want to check that. So you're going to put your email in for the opt-in. You want to use a specific or like a different email for every test. And a way to do that is after like your name. So I have here my Rachel at the Certified Funnel Builders email. I either need to put a +1 for the first test and then a +2 for the second test and a +3 for the third test and so on, so that it can differentiate that they're different emails. Because if you are using the same email, your test will only work once and then it won't work anymore. All right, so I'm going to submit that. And I'm going to come in here and I'm just going to fill this out real quick. We'll do the Rachel. We're going to do the same email that I used over there. So I did a +5. I'm actually going to do this. All right, let's do next. Let's throw in an address. Let's do next. All right. And as you can see right now, even I put the test mode. So if you come back over here into my settings, you can see that the test mode is on, but I don't have a credit card up here. I don't have anything to put in here, so I can't even really test it. So this is a problem that me and my business partner, have run into multiple times, and this is our workaround for it. We have actually started running live tests. So we use a live credit card and run a test for our customer or for our clients, and then we just have them refund us afterwards. Because what we found is there is a way to you have to go into someone's Stripe account and set up the subscription product a certain specific way in order for the test to work in ClickFunnels. And if you miss just like one detail, then it won't work. So we've tried sending people like instructions on how to set it up in Stripe. And of course, a lot of our clients don't want to give us their Stripe account, which is totally understandable. So our workaround is just running a live test and getting a refund. And that's worked really well for us because we have had a lot of issues with trying to get the subscriptions to work and just working with our clients to get that done. Yeah, so that's about it, guys. This is how you can do a little workaround on testing your subscription product, as well as we're going to drop this link in the comments. These are instructions on how to set up your Stripe product correctly, your subscription product correctly within Stripe, so that it should work with the test. So if you're building a funnel for yourself and you can get into your Stripe account, you can check out this. It'll be in the comments, and that might make it so that you can run a test with a Stripe test with a credit card, a test credit card. But if not, it's always easy to just run a live credit card and then get a refund. So I hope this was helpful. If you guys are looking to test a sales funnel or an opt-in funnel, I have different videos on those, so just go check them out. We have something huge coming up next week for people that are launching funnels. It's going to make the whole process go so much smoother, so much easier, and you're just not going to have to worry so much about things going wrong when you're ready to launch. So check that out in the comments as well, guys. It should be coming up here soon. And don't forget to subscribe. So I'll see you guys next time. All right, bye.